Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find a Dasher Direct card. Now you can actually do this through the Dasher Direct app. So just launch that app on your phone and log in using your DoorDash credentials if you're not already signed in. And then once you're inside the app, you'll actually land on the home screen. Now here you want to look for your virtual Dasher Direct card. Basically, it shows you your card number, your expiration date, and even CVV. Okay, and if you've recently applied, you can go ahead and tap on Manage Card or Card Settings, and you'll also see your physical card's shipping status if it's still on the way. And once you have received it, guys, you can tap on Activate Card in the app and follow the prompts to set a PIN. Your physical Dasher Direct card will now be ready for use. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.